In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you 10 secret run commands that will be helping you to access many hidden and amazing secret tools on your Windows PC or laptop. This is a must-watch for each and every Windows user to familiarize themselves with these run commands, as they will be helping them in the future to access many kind of hidden tool and tricks. Without further ado, let's get started. On your desktop, to access the run command, you can either press the Windows key plus the R key or simply head to the search bar and type run. Once the run command has shown up, the very first run command is clean mgr. This is crucial for maintaining system performance and freeing up disk space. By regularly removing temporary files, system cache, and other unnecessary data, you can prevent your computer from slowing down and reduce the risk of system issues. Simply select on these files and click on OK to delete them. The next amazing run command is control, space user passwords 2. Here you will access the user account box. Your local and Microsoft accounts will show up just right here. You can only reset your password, add or remove a local account. You can also change the account type by clicking on Properties, then select on Group Membership. You can either make it an admin account or a standard account. Besides that, if you head to the Advanced section, select Advanced to create multiple local accounts. Moving on to the next command, type in dxdiag. Once you click on OK, it will bring up the DirectX diagnostic tool that will give you all kind of information about your system. You can also click right here to save all your device information. The next command is ctune. I am sure majority of y'all ain't aware of this command. It brings up clear type text tuner. Make the text on your screen easier to read. It's basically for the people with difficulties in reading any kind of text or article on the monitor. You just need to click on Next to choose text samples that look best and readable to you. The next command is msconfig. The system configuration box will show up, and here you can manage many of the options of Windows. In the section of General, you can find the Startup Selection, Diagnostic Startup, and the Selective Startup. These startup are basically for troubleshooting any kind of problem. In the Boot section, you can check on Save Boot, enable other options like boot log, and among others. You can also manage the services running in the background. You can also check out in the Startup and Tools section as well. Now, other interesting command is PSR, also known as the Problem Steps Recorder. This is an essential tool for troubleshooting and technical support. It allows users to easily document and share the steps they took when encountering an issue, capturing screenshots and detailed descriptions automatically. This simplifies communication between users and support teams, ensuring that problems are clearly understood and can be resolved more quickly. By providing a visual and step-by-step account of an issue, PSR saves time and improves the efficiency of diagnosing and fixing technical problems. The next command is appwiz.cpl. It allows users to manage installed software, including uninstalling, repairing, or modifying programs, and controlling system updates. This functionality is crucial for maintaining system performance, freeing up resources, and ensuring that the system remains secure and up-to-date. Moving on to the next command, type in charmap. This is a vital tool for accessing and inserting special characters that are not readily available on the keyboard. It provides a graphical interface that allows users to browse through various character sets, such as Unicode and ASCII, making it easy to insert symbols, accented letters, and other unique characters into documents. The next command is diskmgmt.msc. This command will bring up the disk management where you can access and manage all your disks. Simply right-click on any of the disks. You will have the option to format, change drive letter, extend the volume, shrink the volume. You can also check the partition style of your disk. Right-click on any of the disk and select Properties. This will give you a full preview of your disk-free and used-up space. The last but not least command is temp. This is crucial for specifying the directory where temporary files are stored, which can enhance system performance and stability. For smooth system operation and effective problem resolution, you can go ahead to delete these files. Simply click right here to select all. Click on the delete icon and all junk files will get deleted successfully. The bonus command is OSK. This helps you to access an on-screen keyboard. Alright, that's it for today's video tutorial. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.